10 interesting things about Earth. 1. Earth is not flat, but it's not perfectly round either. Recent research from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory suggests that melting glaciers are causing Earth's waistline to spread. 2. The days are getting longer. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason? The Moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. 3. There weren't always several continents. Rodinia eventually broke apart into many pieces that recollided 250 to 500 million years ago, creating the Appalachian Mountains in North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia and Kazakhstan. 4. Earth's icy times. If Snowball Earth did exist, a point that is hotly contested, luckily we weren't around to feel the chill, as only microscopic and simple organisms existed then. 5. The driest place on Earth. Ironically, the driest place in the world, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is next to the biggest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. Average annual rainfall in Arica, Chile, is just 0.8 millimeters, 0.03 inches. It is believed that Atacama's Calama City saw no rain for 400 years until a sudden storm fell in 1972. 6. Earth's gravity isn't uniform. If Earth were a perfect sphere, its gravitational field would be the same everywhere. But in reality, the planet's surface is bumpy, and water flow, ice drift and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all change the pull of gravity. A mountain range such as the Himalayas causes a positive gravity anomaly. Gravity is stronger there than it would be on a featureless, perfectly smooth planet. 7. In the past, sea levels were very different. The most recent advance of ice on planet Earth began about 70,000 years ago, ended 11,500 years ago and reached its farthest extent 18,000 years ago. 8. Our Sun has a voracious appetite. All stars, like our Sun, age and eventually die. As the Sun exhausts its supply of hydrogen, it will collapse under gravity, ultimately ballooning into a red giant that is 100 times bigger and 2,000 times more luminous, vaporizing Earth in the process. But don't worry, it won't happen for about 5 billion years. 9. The Moon is not Earth's only companion. Discovered in 1986, 3753 Cruithne is an asteroid that actually orbits the Sun. Asteroid 2002 AA29 also orbits the Sun once a year, following a more bizarre horseshoe-shaped path that brings it close to Earth, within about 5.9 million kilometers or 3.7 million miles, every 95 years. 10. The calm before the storm. It's not just an old wives' tale. Under the right conditions, the calm before the storm really does exist. As a storm draws in warm, moist air, its fuel, from the surrounding atmosphere, it leaves a low-pressure area behind. Air is carried up into the storm cloud, and some of it is forced upwards by powerful drafts. These updrafts remove the hot air and push it out over the sides of the highest storm clouds, which can be up to 16 kilometers, 10 miles, high. As the air then descends, it becomes warmer and drier and therefore more stable. It blankets the region below and stabilizes the air contained within, causing people within that region to notice a calm before the storm.